Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with garlic, ginger, ranch, all-American cheese, egg, hot dog, orange zest, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, original hot sauce, pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, white wine, and the red sauce, this red rooster sauce. Let's get started. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all of the ingredients from off of this really quick. All right? Remove all of this. The ingredients, pineapple juice, pineapple, absolute goodness. All right? So remove that, white wine out, egg. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up the ramen noodles. All right? Fresh pack of chicken flavored ramen noodles. All right? Pull out the ramen noodles and place the ramen noodles into the pot. Pull out the chicken flavoration. Open this up, set this to the side. All right? So we're gonna do that, set that to the side. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some butter into a pan. All right? Put some butter into a pan. Turn this off, turn this on, heat it up. And when this is going on, I'm gonna take the hot dog meat and I'm gonna cut it up carefully and put it into the pan. All right? Put the hot dog meat into the pan. All right, absolute goodness. All right, so that's going on right here. Have that in the pan. I'm gonna take the ginger and I'm going, well, that's actually garlic. I'm gonna take the garlic and I'm gonna shred it in the shredder right here. All right, so shred this up in the shredder. Shred this into the shredder. All right, got that in there. Tap it a little bit. Then take the ginger, shred some of this up. When it's gonna start to smell good, you have to resist, all right? Tap that in there, and then you're gonna take your spatula, turn this up to get the first ingredients mixerated. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check on the ramen noodles to make sure that they're okay back there. All right? Go ahead and flip these up. I want to get them right before they get to al dente. All right? Absolute goodness. And I'm just going to stir this. And while this is going on, I'm going to take some pineapple. And I'm going to put the pineapple in there and let this toasterate too with the ingredients. Absolute goodness. This is smelling really great right here, you guys. Just need to let you know. Just lost the pineapple. It's all right. All right, so once that's in there like that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my ramen noodles. Get my ramen noodles. Strain the ramen noodles, turn the pan down slightly. Strain the ramen noodles right before they get to al dente. All right. And strain this. Absolute goodness. And then I'm going to put this in here. All right. Now once this is in here, I'm going to add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. A little bit of ranch. And put this into the pan. All right. Absolute goodness. and then stir this up to get the flavoration. All right, now once you stir this up, you're gonna make a hole in the middle. Let me zoom in so you can see this a little bit better. You're gonna make a hole in the middle, put a little bit more butter in there, as you can see. And then take an egg, drop the egg right into the center right there. All right, now the egg is gonna start to cook right, all right? Meanwhile, while that's going on, I'm gonna take some pineapple juice and just go along the edges of it. Just like that. All right? Smelling great, all right? And then I'm gonna take the flavoration and sprinkle about a quarter of the flavoration packet on the noodles, just on the edges like that. Absolute goodness, all right? All right, so once you have that, you're gonna take some cheese and you're gonna take the cheese and slice the cheese or cut it and sprinkle it around town on the ramen noodles, all right? Smelling great, smelling good. And you're gonna turn up the fire. I'm gonna turn up the fire just slightly. Let this all melt right. I'm gonna top this off with a little bit of white wine, Chardonnay, all right, as you can see, absolute goodness. And just go around on the noodles and it'll start to steamerate up, which is what you want. That'll help cook the egg a little bit more. And then to top it all off, I'm gonna take orange zest and zest this on top, just like that. Oh man, this is smelling good. Do you see the orange zest? Do you see the cheese? Do you see the hot dog meat? Absolute goodness. All right, and when I have that on there, the heat's gonna cook the rest of it. Egg is going to be sunny side up. Look at that. Let me come in closer so you can see that. That's how you make ramen noodles with hot dog meat. The red sauce, Frank's Red Hot sauce, ranch, pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, cheese, all American cheese, ranch, orange zest, garlic, ginger, ramen noodles, and white wine. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.